All right, I'm going to talk about 3 mindset shifts that I have made that have changed my life and that are changing my life. And so I want to jump right into it, not have a lot of fluff. I am Timmy Riggs. I own my own window cleaning business. I talk about my business a lot. I'm pretty into fitness and health. I'm going to start talking about that more on my channel. And also, I was a former pastor, and so I still speak and preach around the country. And I've got some pretty big dreams, pretty big goals. Those are the things I'm doing right now. And I'm seeing that it is definitely worth it to share stuff on YouTube. That I'm encouraged by the way I'm encouraging others, and that you guys are telling me that and DMing and commenting and whatever, right? And so that's why I want to keep making these posts. If you follow me, this is something that obviously you've seen a lot of window cleaning content. This is still going to help in your business if that's the direction that you are going. But these are 3 things that truly are transforming how I face any challenge or how I face the day or whatever, and they're making me feel like, yeah, okay, like keep hitting this, keep chopping wood on these 3 mindsets, and it's all worth it. This isn't scripted. I'm literally just gonna share with you from my heart. The first shift is this: I have goals. I have things I want to accomplish. So do you. I sit there and I think to myself, why not me? Why not be the person that makes this happen? The vision that you have been given, why can't you live into it, right? Why can't you grow a good business? Why can't you have the mission and purpose that God has given you and that you get to live it out on a day-to-day basis? Why can't you get as physically healthy and fit as possible and be in competitions and start winning and whatever, right? Like, why not me, right? And so not from an egotistical standpoint, just from a standpoint of, hey, other people have done what I am working on doing and am doing, and so why can't I be in that category of someone that, hey, I can check all the boxes. I can be healthy spiritually. I can be healthy physically. I can be healthy in my finances and in my business. Like, I just want to say to you, if you have not ever had someone encourage you that, hey, it can be you, why not you? Why can't you be the one that builds a business, that builds a healthy marriage, that produces, strong, healthy, confident kids? Like, why can't it be you? It absolutely can be. The choice is yours, and you get to make that every day. So wake up in the mirror and say to yourself, hey, why not me? Why can't I do what I know I've been given to do, what I've been charged to do? Why can't I build a strong platform on YouTube and Instagram? Why can't I help as many people as possible through coaching, through content that's free, through all types of different things? Like, it can be me. And so, again, not egotistical, but from a sense of confidence and a sense of I've been called and given a mission on life, in life, and in this world. And so, like, I want to live into it. So I know that one can seem a little cliche or cheesy. I don't know. I don't really care anymore. Like, that's what I really believe. And so, like, why can't it be you? Second one is this: action attracts. The more you do, even if you fail or make a mistake or pivot the wrong way, like, the more you actually do and put stuff out there, the more people are drawn to it. The more that the good, positive returns will happen, right? The more door hangers I put up for my business, the more business I get. The more content I push out, the more I get people drawn to it and getting help from it and getting encouraged by it, right? Like, the more I work out, the stronger I get. The more that I talk about my dreams and then actually take steps to do it, the more I inspire people to do the exact same thing. So, action attracts. Whatever it is that you want, you have to act. I think that the discontentment that so many guys in their 20s, 30s, and even 40s are feeling right now is this. It's not so much discontentment. I don't think it's that they're unhappy with their life all the time. I think it's a frustration with their inaction. So discontentment often is connected to you not taking action on the things you know you need to take action on. And I promise you, if you commit, hey, I'm going to set a plan and I'm going to take massive action over the next 12 months, and I believe action attracts. The positive things that you're working towards are going to come to fruition. You're going to start planting seeds and see results from things that you didn't even expect. For me, on YouTube, it's the small brand deal I got. I didn't see that coming, right? The ways that it's led to coaching opportunities. Like, I had a dream for coaching, but I never knew how to make it happen, and yet I started making content about my window cleaning business, and that is what has led to coaching. And I've had some amazing clients, and so, like, that are crushing it, that are taking action. And so I'm just telling you, if you act and you don't even know if you're doing the right thing or not, it doesn't matter, just do it, it's gonna work. Number 3, this is my life motto. This is locally, it's a little brand that I'm known by, and it's something that I will live by for the rest of my life. In the meantime, enjoy the here while working to get there. The whole point is life happens in the meantime. I'm here today, whatever the date is, June 4th, right? June 20th, I'm going on a vacation. But in the meantime, I've got things to do, right? So I've got it there. My there is vacation with my family. But life's gonna happen every day until then. And so those are the moments where I get to act, where I get to wake up and say, why not me, right? In the meantime is where life happens. It's where your goals are built and your life is designed the way that you want it, and you move in the direction of who you want to become, right? But the beauty is, we have to have it there, or we're just gonna kind of be lazy or feel discontent or whatever. But we also have to enjoy the here. The goal is every day, this is the only day I have. And so I wanna make sure that I'm present, that I'm fully alive, that I live today as best I can. I'm telling you, you're gonna live today, you're gonna enjoy the here most when you ask yourself, man, why not me? Why can't I be the first one in my family to finally break loose from financial debt, right? Why not me? Why can't I be the one that actually finally has a marriage that lasts, right? You start asking yourself those, you're gonna start knowing what to do, right? And that's where you start taking the action. And then you're taking that action every day in the meantime. So, bottom line, 3 mindset shifts, write them down, put them on your mirror. I've got them on my phone, I've got stuff written down on my mirror. I'm doing whatever it takes to make sure that, hey, I've got this there, I'm running, I'm working hard, I'm doing the things that I know are gonna lead to success, but I'm enjoying the here in the meantime of life. Anyway, I just wanted to get that short video up because I'm starting to see how many people in life really are. They want to make a change. They want to make a shift in their mindset and in their life and their businesses and their physical health and their spiritual health. And I'm telling you, you can. You can. And those are 3 shifts mentally that you can take. And they're not these big, sexy, crazy things, but it's just starting to think about your life different. And when you do it, I'm telling you, in the meantime, you can start enjoying the here while you're working to get there.